In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot two data sets in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to go ahead and open up Google Sheets. Then find the two data sets that you would like to plot. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and select both data sets. So click and drag the highlight of all your data, including the headers. Then from there, we want to click on to insert and then look for chart. Now, once we do that, a Google Sheets is going to automatically open up a chart like you can see it here. Now, if we go ahead and double click on the chart, this is where we can go ahead and drag it around, and then we can edit the chart and how it looks to the right here. So we can change the title font size. We've got chart style, so we can change it to wide. You know, got all these different options. We can change the background color and the border color. I might go dark red. We can maximize, minimize, and we got, there's a lot that we can do inside of here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set up this chart. So where it says chart type, we've got options here. We can use align charts. This is great for trends. Column charts, good for comparisons, bar chart, area chart. Now, for this example, I'm going to use a line chart. Now, some tips. We want to go ahead and make sure each data set has a header so Google Sheets can label these properly, label the chart correctly. Keep both data columns next to each other for automatic detection. And if your chart doesn't look right, just go ahead and open the Setup tab and verify that the correct columns are being used for the x-axis and series.